Welcome to Cooking with Laelyn. Today we did a whole new video, and now we're doing the spin the wheel challenge. We can only get the pizza one, but Mom don't want this one, so we're not. If we land on it, we're just gonna spin again.
Pizza roll-ups.
I don't want pizza roll-ups. Let's spin again.
Easy pizza.
Easy pizza. What does that mean?
Easy money. All right,
we're gonna make an easy pizza because you see that's what it says, and I'm gonna tell you what the ingredients are while I'm adding. Everybody, you have to use this. It's called tortillas, and how long you want to leave it in the oven is just how long you want it to get crispy. So two of these pizzas are not going to be with pepperoni. My mom doesn't like pepperoni. Now that we got the tortillas on, let's open the little sauce. Get a spoonful, dump it on one, then we spread it. If you guys like sauce, subscribe to my video. Now we do cheese. And if you run out of cheese, just get another bag. Open the bag. Let your mom open the bag. If you don't know how to open stuff. I love cheese. Thank you. I'm gonna leave two without pepperonis. I love pepperonis to eat. It goes in the oven to see how long it wants to get crusty. If the parents want it really crispy, put it in the air fryer. This is what they look like, and this is what they look out of the oven, and this is how they look out of the air fryer. Make sure to like and subscribe.